An electrical telegraph is a telegraph that uses electrical signals, usually conveyed via dedicated telecommunication lines or radio. The electromagnetic telegraph is a device for human-to-human transmission of coded messages. What is electromagnet? When sending the electric current in on one end and out in the other, what you get is a lot of magnetic fields around the wire. With electromagnetic fields from all the loops add up, it produces a very strong magnetic field inside, and then these field lines loop around like this. This is essentially a magnet with a north pole and a south pole. This is what you call an electromagnet. In this experiment, we are doing an electromagnetic telegraph, or what better known as Morse code. The electromagnet, which can attract a soft iron armature when energized and release it quickly when the current stops, is the essential element of the electromagnetic telegraph. How does this thing work is, when the switch is closed, it completes the circuit. The wounding of wires around the pole generates a strong electromagnetic field. It pulls in the iron armature and produces click sound.
The objectives of this experiment is to understand the principle and concept of an electromagnet, to construct a simple telegraph using electromagnetic principle, and to understand how an electric telegraph works. The materials used in this experiment are a 9V battery, iron nail, insulated copper wire, paper clips, connecting wires, a stapler, a styrofoam board, and a piece of cardboard.
Okay, so firstly, we'll use magnet wire and then coil it onto a nail. So make sure that the coil is tightly coiled together and there is no gap in between. And then we'll place it onto a polystyrene foam. Afterwards, we'll use a clip and then bend it into something like this. And then we'll place it onto the polystyrene foam. We'll use this cardboard as the base for this clip so that it doesn't wobble much. Make sure that there is gap in between the clip and the nail. And then we'll construct the circuit. For the circuit, make sure that the end of this coil is sanded off so that the metal part is exposed. And then we'll connect the top part to the positive side of the batteries. For this case, we are using the 9V battery. And we'll secure it using a tape. And then we'll connect the bottom part of the coil to the switch. The switch will be made using cardboard and also paper clip. It will be done by using this. So we'll secure the switch using a stapler. And then we'll connect this bottom part to this switch over here. And then we'll use a connecting wire to complete the circuit. So we'll connect one end over here to the battery, the negative side of the battery, and then the other end of the wire to the switch over here. Okay, so this is the complete circuit.
The discussion of the experiment are as follows. Firstly, we used cardboard to reinforce the base of the pins. Next, we adjusted the position of pins so that the pin sound is heard clearly. Third, we used paper clips and cardboard to make a push-to-make switch. Fourth, the enamel copper wire are wound tightly around the nail, and the enamel coating of the connecting ends are removed. The application of this experiment are electric telegraph. There are two sets of researchers that invented this device, which are Sir William Cooke, Sir Charles Wheatstone in England, and Samuel Morse, Leonard Gale, and Alfred Vail in US. In the 1830s, Cooke and Wheatstone developed a telegraph system with 5 magnetic needles. On the right side are a picture of the device, and their system was soon being used for railroad signaling in Britain. Gale Will Morse eventually produced a single-circuit telegraph. On the right side are a picture of the single-circuit telegraph. In the 1830s, Morse and Will created Morse code to transmit message along the telegraph wire. The code assigned letters in alphabet and numbers in a series of dots and dashes. The electric telegraph has been improved by Ezra Cornell and Thomas Alva Edison. By the end of the 19th century, the uses of telegraph began to decline when new inventions such as telephone, fax, and internet emerged.